Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about binary subtraction, but this subtraction can be done using ones complement notation. So watch the video till the end to know the process. Before starting the video, I'd like to say that those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and press the notification bell icon for regular updates. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
Binary subtraction can also be done using ones complement notation. So say for example, we have two binary numbers a and b, and we wanted to subtract the binary number b from the binary number a. So this, in place of a minus b, this can also be interpreted as a plus of minus b. So it's a special case of addition. We are actually adding two binary numbers. One is a positive number and the other one is the negative number. So in this way we can also perform the binary subtraction. So the first case of the binary subtraction, addition of a positive and a negative number. Now say for example, we have a positive number with greater magnitude. Say for example, the number is 7, and we have a negative number with lesser magnitude. Say for example, it is 4. So the result, that should be 3, and it will be a positive number, since we are adding a positive number with greater magnitude with a negative number having lesser magnitude. So this is also performing, we are also performing as a binary subtractions. So this can also be done using ones complement notation. Let's see how we can do the same thing that we have done in the decimal in binary format. Now the first number, that was 7, we are representing every number in its 8-bit equivalence binary format. So this plus 7, that becomes 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Remember, this one is treated as the sign bit. The most significant bit is treated as the sign bit. As the number is a positive number, therefore the sign bit is equivalent to 0. And the next number, which is minus 4, it is also represented in binary format, but this one minus 4 should be represented in ones complement format. So to represent minus 4 in ones complement format, first we have to represent the binary format of plus 4. So the binary format of plus 4, that will be equals to 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is the binary equivalent of plus 4. This one is the sign bit, it indicates that the number is the positive number. Now if we just obtain the ones complement of this whole representation, so ones complement, we are obtaining the ones complement of this whole representation, and if we just place 1 in place of 0 and 0 in place and 0 in place of 1, 1 in place of 0 and 0 in place of 1, so we will actually get the ones complement of plus 4, which is actually equivalent to minus 4. So this is the binary representation of minus 4. Here the sign bit indicates 1, it indicates that it's a negative number. So when the sign bit is equivalent to 0, it indicates it's a positive number, and since the sign bit is equivalent to 1, it indicates the number is the negative number. So we have just obtained the binary representation of minus 4 in ones complement notation. So this is the binary representation of minus 4: 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Now we have obtained the binary representation of the positive number and the ones complement representation of the given negative number. Whenever we are having a negative number. If we just represent in the ones complement format, that will be the whenever we have the positive number, if we just represent it in its ones complement format, we will get the negative number. So now our next step will be just adding this to binary number. So if we just add this to binary number, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, here 3 1 is getting added. So 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, so we are writing the carry 1 here, and 0 plus 1 is equivalent to 1 here. Here 1 plus 1 sum 0 and carry 1, we are writing the carry 1, that should be added with the next bit, and the sum is equivalent to 0 here. Here 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 again sum 0 carry 1. Here 0 plus 1 is equivalent to 1, and 1 plus 1 is sum 0 carry 1. In this step also 0 plus 1 is equivalent to 1, and 1 plus 1 is sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 again is 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 again here 1, and 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. So see here, just after performing this addition, we have got an extra bit just beyond the sign bit. This is the sign bit, it indicates 0. This is the sign bit, it indicates 0 to denote that the result is a positive number, and just we have got an extra bit just beyond the sign bit. So this is an overflow. So in case of a binary addition, when we are adding a positive number with a negative number, if any overflow is generated, this is called or known as overflow situation. So if any overflow is generated, then this bit is to be added with the least significant bit of the sum. So this one will be added to the least significant bit. Here the least significant bit is 0 in the sum, and again the result will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. So this is our final result, and this is the decimal equivalent 3. This binary number, if we find out the decimal equivalent of this binary number, we will get 3, which is our addition result, and it indicates that the number is a positive number. The sign bit is 0, it indicates that the number is a positive number. So this is how we actually do the binary subtraction. We have done the binary subtraction using ones complement notation. Now in the next case, we have a negative number with greater magnitude and a positive number with lesser magnitude. So in this case, the answer should be a negative number. So this can also be done using ones complement notation. So again, as same of the previous case, we are going to just represent the binary of -7. So in that case, first we have to find out the binary of +7. The binary of +7 in 8 equivalent bit is in 8-bit format, it is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. This indicates the sign bit is 0, that means the number is a positive number. And if we just obtain the ones complement of this binary representation, that will be equivalent to 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Just place 1 in place of 0 and 0 in place of 1. This is the ones complement of the given binary number. So this is actually equivalent to -7. This is the -7 binary representation of -7, 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. So just write it down, 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, and the binary representation of a positive number, that should be 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. This is the binary representation of +3. +3, it's a positive number, it indicates the sign bit is 0, and here this one is the negative number, so the sign bit is equivalent to 1. Now we have just obtained the binary of two given numbers. Now our next target is to just add these two number. So if we add these two number, we will get 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is again 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 also 1. So this is the sum that we have got, and if we notice carefully that no overflow is generated here, no overflow is generated here, the answer is exactly correct, as if we just add these two numbers we will get a negative number. So therefore it indicates that the sign bit should be equals to 1 in binary, and we have got the sign bit exactly 1. That means we have just obtained a correct answer, as the sign bit is 1, but the result is in the ones complement format. So if we just obtain the ones complement of this binary representation, that will be equivalent to plus 4. So just obtain the ones complement of this binary representation. It will be 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0, which is actually equivalent to plus 4. So the answer is exactly correct, as we have got the sign bit equals to 1, since our result should be in the ones complement format. So this is our answer. So in this way we can actually perform the binary subtraction using ones complement format. If we have given a positive number and a negative number, if we have given the positive number with greater magnitude and a negative number with lesser magnitude, in that case overflow will occur. If we have given a positive number with lesser magnitude and a negative number with greater magnitude, no overflow will occur, and the result will be obtained in ones complement format. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share the video with others. For more videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the notification bell icon for instant updates.